This insert represents a typical broad-quested weir. Historically, these weirs were placed into the rivers for mill power, and nowadays we can use them for hydropower schemes, but they represent barriers in typical rivers these days. Currently the channel is showing unobstructed flow. The current water level is 2 centimetres. What we're going to do is add the weir and we'll show you how this affects the flow. As you can see, the water levels have significantly risen upstream to 9 centimetres due to the weir obstruction. Downstream has fallen to 1.2. By adding the duck into the river, we can see how the velocities have changed in the channel, going from slow upstream to much faster downstream. So this represents an obstruction to the flow downstream of a weir. In this situation, the water levels can start to back up towards the weir itself. This causes water safety issues for anyone passing over the weir, and in particular in our situation, a kayak. As the kayak comes down, goes over the weir, it gets stuck in what we call a stopper, and as you can see, the kayak is completely stuck there and the person in there will not be having a great time.